Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? मैंने एक सपना देखा. I had a dream. I had a dream. चलो पता लगाते हैं. Let's find out. Let's find out. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हो? Can you see her? Can you see her? ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. आपकी यात्रा कैसी थी? How was your trip? How was your trip? सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. मुझे वापस कॉल करें. Call me back. Call me back. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. यह आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. क्या आपको मिला? Did you get it? Did you get it? मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do something. I want to do something. तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? मेरे बारे में सोचो. Think about me. Think about me. तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? कुछ मत कहो. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? आपको कैसे पता चला? How do you know? How do you know? वह इसे अच्छी तरह से जानता है. He knows it very well. He knows it very well. यह तुम्हें लेना चाहिए. You should take it. You should take it. यह तुम्हारी भूल नहीं है. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. आप क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. आसपास कोई भी नहीं है. No one is around. No one is around. मैं सब समझ गया. I understood everything. I understood everything. जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? मुझे गलत मत समझना. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. खुद पर विश्वास रखो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. कार में बैठ जाओ. Get in the car. Get in the car. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you feel like. As you feel like. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? तुम्हें कोई नहीं रोकेगा. Nobody will stop you. Nobody will stop you. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मैंने उसे कल देखा. I saw him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. ये किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. और बताओ. Tell me once. Tell me once. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? मुझे दो. Give me. Give me. क्या चल रहा है? What's up? What's up? मुझे यह पता है. I know this. I know this. मैं सोच रहा था. I was thinking. I was thinking. क्या तुम जाओगे? Will you go? Will you go? मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा. I will help you. I will help you. मुझे पढ़ना है. I have to study. I have to study. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. I don't like it. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? What is happening here? आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. क्या कोई आया है? Has someone come? Has someone come? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. मैं आ रहा हूँ. I am coming. I am coming. मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. I am happy. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता. I still don't know. I still don't know. मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. ये बहुत कीमती है. It is very expensive. It is very expensive. मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to go. I was about to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going. I am going. वो क्या था? What was that? What was that? यह किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. I have nothing. I have nothing. यह मेरा फैसला है. It is my decision. It is my decision. क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? दिखावा मत करो. Don't show off. Don't show off. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Why are you late? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. I can understand. यह सच है. It is true. It is true. मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I? Who am I? वो क्या है? What is that? What is that? काश मैं वहाँ होता. I wish I was there. I wish I was there. यह आपने कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. मेरे पास समय नहीं है. I have no time. I have no time. काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता. I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? एक काम करो. Do one thing. Do one thing. क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? कुछ करो. Do something. Do something. सब तैयार है. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. मुझे उससे मिलना है. I have to meet her. I have to meet her. दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it too hard. Don't take it too hard. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? यह तुम्हारा नहीं है. This is not yours. This is not yours. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. तुम्हें जो करना है करो. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. तुम जा सकते हो. You can go. You can go. हमें आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत है. We need your help. We need your help. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I will try. I will try. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go away from here. Go away from here. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. तुम कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to go. I was about to go. मैं फिर से दिखाओ. Show me again. Show me again. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? इसे ले चलो. Carry this. Carry this. ये चलेगा. It will do. It will do. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. थोड़ा इंतज़ार करो. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. गिर मत जाना. Don't fall. Don't fall. बिल्कुल अभी. Right away. Right away. अभी क्या समय है? What's the time now? What's the time now? मैं समझ गया. I understood. I understood. उसका निधन हो गया. He passed away. He passed away. मुझे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता है. I am short tempered.